Looking for quick and easy knitting or crochet projects for gifts or home decor? You're in the right place. Welcome to a world of creativity where we weave dreams into reality. Today we're going to explore some fantastic, easy-to-do yarn projects that are perfect for gifting or adding that extra charm to your home. From knitted coasters to crochet dishcloths and yarn-wrapped letters, we've got plenty of ideas to get those creative juices flowing. So grab your yarn and needles. It's time to create magic. Stay tuned as we dive into our first project. Our first project is knitted coasters, simple yet elegant. These offer a delightful way to add a handmade touch to your living space or to gift someone a piece of your craft. To start, you'll need your favorite yarn and a pair of knitting needles. The type of yarn you choose can greatly influence the end result, so opt for something that's both durable and aesthetically pleasing. As for the knitting needles, if you're a beginner, a pair of size 8 should work just fine. Now, let's dive into the knitting process. Firstly, cast on about 15 stitches, depending on how large you'd like your coasters to be. Then, knit each row until your piece is square. To finish, simply cast off and weave in your ends. Sounds easy, right? Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if your first coaster isn't flawless. And there you have it, your very own set of knitted coasters. Next on the list is a practical yet delightful project, crochet dishcloths. These nifty squares of yarn are not just fun to make, but they also add a dash of charm to your kitchen routine. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need some cotton yarn and a crochet hook. Start by making a slip knot and then chain a row. This forms the base of your dishcloth. The pattern we'll be using is simple, just single crochet stitches throughout. Each row will start and end with a chain one, which will keep the edges neat and even. As your dishcloth grows, you'll notice the beautiful texture that the single crochet stitches create. It's this texture that makes crochet dishcloths so effective. They're great for scrubbing dishes and they dry faster than traditional cloth. When you've reached the desired size, finish off your work and weave in the ends. You've just created a reusable, eco-friendly tool for your kitchen. Voila! Your homemade crochet dishcloth is ready for use or gifting. Our last project is a fun and creative one, yarn-wrapped letters. This is a perfect project for home decor or a personalized gift. Begin by gathering your materials. You'll need some cardboard letters. These can be purchased from a craft store or you can make your own from a sturdy piece of cardboard. Next, you'll need a good quality yarn. The color and texture are up to you. A hot glue gun, scissors, and a little bit of patience are also necessary. Start by applying a small amount of hot glue to the back of the letter. Press the end of the yarn into the hot glue. Be careful not to burn yourself. Begin to wrap the yarn around the letter, making sure to keep it tight and even. Continue this process until the entire letter is covered. If you reach a tricky spot, don't worry. Just apply a little extra glue and maneuver the yarn as best you can. Remember, this is your project, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. If you want to mix colors or add a pattern, go for it. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Once you've finished wrapping the letter, cut the yarn and secure the end with a dab of hot glue. And voila! You've just created a personalized yarn-wrapped letter. To add a finishing touch, consider adding a ribbon for hanging or even some decorative beads. Congratulations on creating your personalized yarn-wrapped letters. With these letters, you can spell out names, meaningful words, or even create an entire alphabet for a fun and educational piece of decor. Enjoy your crafting journey. Well done on completing these quick and easy yarn projects. We have explored the versatility and charm of yarn, knitting, and crochet, creating not just beautiful, but also useful pieces. The knitted coasters, perfect for your steaming cup of tea or coffee, the crochet dishcloths that add a pop of color and functionality to your kitchen, and the yarn-wrapped letters that can be personalized to your taste for home decor or gifts. These projects are not only fun to make, but they also serve as a great way to unwind after a long day. Plus, these handmade items add a touch of warmth and personality to any space. Don't forget, these projects are just the start. The possibilities with yarn are endless. We'd love to hear about your own experiences with these projects. What colors did you choose? Did you add any personal touches? Share your creations and stories with us. Happy crafting, and until next time, keep those needles clicking.